Hello, I've been having so much fun with these SVGs. I thought it'd be fun to make a button. So what I've done here is I have the circle created, and for the button maker I'm going to use the circle size is 2.683. So I've made my circle the correct size. I have this SVG I want to start with, and then I have the text I really want to be on the castle. So first of all, I'm going to start with the castle, and it's multiple pieces. So I'm going to click this bottom one right here that says best trip ever on it, and then click on contour, click hide all contours, and it didn't hide them all, so let's try that again. Contour, hide all contours. Well, we'll weld it here in a minute and that should help. It's showing a few little circles here. I'm not sure why. I'm going to go ahead and select the whole castle here and then weld, and you can see those little pieces now disappeared. Now I'm going to move my text over on top of the castle, and it went behind, so I'm going to go to arrange and send to front so it's on top of the castle. Get it lined up the way I want. You can also like eyeball it and move it, or I can select them both and then go up to align and align the centers this way, and that kind of fixes that. So now I am going to attach these. I'm gonna flatten them, sorry. I gotta think about what I'm doing here. Flatten it, and because I'm gonna print this out and then make it into a button. So I flattened the images, and then I'm gonna make it the size that will fit on my button, and I want to leave a border all the way around the edge because I don't want to go right up to the edge. So get it like that. I'll increase the size so you can see it a little bit, and so now I have it on my button. Again, I can do the same thing as I did before, and I can align the centers, make sure it's perfectly in the center. Now I'm going to select both of them and flatten. So now you can see over here in the layers panel I have one image. I'm going to undo it so you see how it was before. Before I had two different items, and so it would have cut out the castle. It would have printed it and then cut it, and it would have cut out circles. But selecting both of them and then flatten, it's now one item. So I can send this to the printer. It will print it out, and then the Cricut will cut the circles, and I can use it in my button maker.